Hi, my name is Ali Atkins and I'm here in my home studio. I would like to say a big warm welcome to our brand new programme, Start Online. For our very first week, we're going to take a look at collecting. We all like to collect. We collect ideas, thoughts and things. And so do artists to help them tell a story. They gather lots of ideas, thoughts, conversations, little bits and pieces that just catch their eye. They like to bring this together in a collection and then turn it into a piece of artwork. It might be a collage, an assemblage, an installation, a painting, or something else. It's very hard for us to notice everything that we see, hear, smell, touch, or feel in just one day. There's just too much going on. But what would stand out for you? It may be the crunch of your cereal. It may be a lovely colour in the sky. It may be a chat with a friend or your dog doing something silly. All of these things can be inspiration to make art. And now it's your turn. How would you build an artwork about one day? Take a look online at our Start Collect PDF and give it a go. Please share your work with us. We would love to see it. Can't wait to see what happens. Take care. See you next time.